Hello. All right. My name is Shayan. I used to work at Apple on Siri. Here is my AI/ML cup, reliving the glory days. Today, I'm going to be doing a redesign of our landing page because it is garbage, as as my cousin would say. He gave me some nice looking designs and a new logo, so we're going to try that out. It's very simple. We're just using a Next.js app, and yeah, we're just going to try to simplify things a little bit on that page. All right, well, let's get started. So this is what it currently looks like. So you go to apps.zeroinbox.ai. So this is the login page. Oops, I'm already logged in. I'm going to sign out. This is what it looks like. And on mobile, it'll kind of look like that. So it's not that great, right? So we want to remove this, add a new logo, and yeah, we're going to get started on that. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we want to create a new logo. So this is the new logo that my cousin designed for me. And this was our old logo. We want to make it like this. Not that one, this one, okay? I have no idea how to do this, so we're going to learn. We know a few things, obviously, in life. But yes, we're gonna attempt this right now. So let's do a little triangle here. I think that might be the easiest way to do this. Let me pause. Okay, so we have a rectangle here, and I'm going to try to make it look a lot like this. This is what happens when it's behind. You can see the life of a startup entrepreneur. I'm having to do everything, having no money because there's no investment right now. Anyways, we're not gonna start complaining because that's just not us, you know? You gotta have a winning mentality. Doesn't matter what's going on in the world. I don't care if there's a fire outside, if there's a drought, if there's lack of food, or whatever. We gotta win, right? So it doesn't quite matter, but yes, it's life is not fun. Okay, so here we go. So basically now we want to take on the color of the design that my cousin sent me because he only sent me a frickin' PNG. I told him to do the whole thing, but he did not. So yes, life of family, what can I say? Did I show you my AI/ML cup? All right, and we are sitting here in beautiful British Columbia, Vancouver, living our lives. So we're going to copy this one, I'm going to paste it, and then we're going to take on the new color of the blue. This is where things get difficult. How do I cut this thing? I have no idea. So ideally so firstly we want to get it the same size, right? So that the dimensions are quite nice here. So we're going to try to get it much smaller. So let's do that. Height, we're going to do, let's say 250. We're going to move it here. Did it maintain that? Oh, wow, that was actually, what the hell? That was spot on. What is wrong with me? That's kind of weird. It might be a little higher. Perfect. Okay, so we got a 250 height. What is the width? Let's see if we can do that again. We got a width of, I think it must be also 250, right? Okay, so we're gonna bring that down here. Alrighty, perfect. I should put on the music that I'm listening to, I guess. Okay, so I'm meeting my cousin. He's an Instagram, I know, this is really funny, but basically I hadn't seen him for years, met up with him, and yeah, I just kind of knew him as I knew him when I was a kid. And then I meet up with this guy, and everybody's saying hello to him. We go to downtown, and all these Persians are saying, hi, hello, salam, alaikum. And I was like, what the hell is going on? Turns out he's an Instagram influencer. The guy has 120,000 followers. And yeah, he always told me to get into YouTube and Instagram, and I just didn't believe him until I started this company and I realized, holy shit, we've made this incredible product, we have an AI, we have all this stuff, and nobody knows about us, right? So then you kind of realize, okay, like you need marketers, you need this type of stuff. So then I go and meet up with my cousin. I was like, cousin, you always say you're going to help me out. Can you please teach me how to do this? Like, how do I market this thing? So yeah, he, in his busy Mr. Calendar, whatever, He set up a time for me at 12:30 today, so I have 3 hours to get this logo, create an entire new landing page, and get my cousin to, do his magic and hopefully get me a few users. All right, let's do this. So basically, we're gonna insert a new layer, just some white here, just to kind of give it some contrast. How do I do this? I'm not very good with Sketch, as you can see. I always have to ask ChatGPT or whatever to get help, or what am I doing? Wait, I don't need a color picker. And yeah, by the end of this startup, we're all going to be very familiar with Turkish music, because I love, I guess, Middle Eastern music. Yeah, I love that shit. Move backward. What the frick? Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Wow. Okay, we're already looking pretty good here. So now we need to add some opacity. The opacity is going to go like that, right? I think we should also add the same level on there. 67%. Let's do 67%. Let's see what that looks like. Ew. It's not very nice. Yeah, okay, not bad. All right, now we just have to learn how to cut. Okay, so I figured out that there's this edit tool here. So we can just go like that. We can click edit to kind of shift things around a little bit, right? So this is what we're doing now. We're just playing a game. All right, so now do this. Okay. And edit it. Oh my freaking god, that was cool. But the question is, man, how do we do this? I think you need to kind of, by pulling it, we can get it equivalent. There we go. Nice. We want to rotate. Oh, perfect. We want this piece to take on the color of that piece. No opacity. Are they the same color? 87%. This one is 100%. Okay. So now we're gonna go like that. Is that perfect? I don't know. Well, there's no such thing as perfect. 0 is 180. Oh, I see. Oh my god, that's cool. Okay. So now we want to opacity this thing. Gonna move it forward. Right? Alright, we're starting to look good. Actually, mine kind of looks better than his design. It's not a competition between cousins. But, this looks a lot more professional than this. So we're gonna go for that. One man startup over here. Or, there's some other people, but I don't know what the hell they're doing today. But we don't really care, do we? Okay, group these into we're gonna call it the symbol pink. This we're gonna move here. All right, let's look at this thing closer. So, yeah, we could probably just export it just by itself. Why not? Export selection. So, let's see. Can we also do SVG? Perfect. Oh, okay, not bad. So we do want an SVG. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the kind of the coding right now, and I'll get back to you. So we're gonna open up our main sign-in page, right? So here we are, main sign-in page. We've got a lot of stuff going on. Clear email, clear mind. We're gonna remove this thing. And I think the first thing that we should do is take the background color that we have, which is here, and just make it white. We'll just do white. Let's see where main container is. Class name main container. Alright, that's all it is. Don't really need that. Why don't we just do style, background, color, just do white. Okay, let's get started again. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna start up our development server, and we're gonna see what it looks like. And we're gonna, good. Okay, so it's white now, which does look a lot better. My cousin was right. So what we wanna do is we wanna add this logo here into here. That's basically it. And then at the bottom, we'll add a privacy and all that. Okay, so I added the logo into the images folder, and now we're gonna try to do that. So let's see, new logo. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Wow, that actually looks pretty dope. Why? Oh, there's CSS on there. So we're gonna try to see what's going on here. Is there a border circle? What in God's name? Styles. What is styles? Styles is sign-in.module. Okay, that doesn't exist. Weird. So we're gonna remove that class name because that doesn't even exist. I think it's here. Must have added, so there's an image and there's a link on the image. The image has the same width and this has the border radius. So I must have tried to turn the image into a circle. We can try to keep that. Let's just see what happens if we remove this shadow. Let's just comment it out because we might be able to use that again. Is there any weird stuff going on? No. Okay, perfect. Wow. That already looks pretty good. All right, so we're gonna open up the same thing in here and we're gonna go, okay. So now we can see that and we can see exactly what it looks like in a mobile format. It already looks incredible. We're gonna be rich or less broke. Instead of email of the future, I'll just do welcome. And then instead of this color, you can just try black. Okay. All right. So in the last, I guess, 2 hours, we made a new logo, made the SVG files for it, and then updated the website. So let's take a look here and see what it looks like for mobile. So we're gonna do, there we go. So that's what it looks like on just desktop version. Okay, and then if we go into mobile, this is what it looks like. And everything works, the privacy policy, terms of use, boom, desktop, mobile, so much more professional. Amazing. All right, see you later.